Peoples. We back!
Trevor's got his wood in his hand.
Yeah.
We're really back. Jokes like that. Anyway.
I'm cutting dice. Look at these eyes. They're not here to please you. There was a time you could have been mine. Before all that you put me through.
You ready? You ready? Here we go. Magnets. Magnets. Ta-da. Shake it. And then when you want to take it off, we just grab onto probably the solar panel and just boop, take it off. That should work. Now he's got to put it in the boat. Oh yeah, we're at the boat. There's Trevor on his phone, doing Trevor things. It was a very nice day today. It's like 55, I think, outside. I'm not sure.
I said I'd rather have a dirty boat than a boat that looks like a bunch of homeless people live in it.
It's true, actually. And do you see how green we have stuff growing right here?
Yeah. Oh god, it needs to be cleaned so bad.
That's why I want to buy a pressure washer. Permission to come aboard, I guess. I might.
This is futile. I'm feeling very northwest in my outfit today.
You're looking very northwest in your outfit today. You can block. What is it? What's the Dimitri Martin joke? Narrow, cold, something. I can't remember. I'll look it up. There's a boat under here, Trevor. Ooh, that feels.
Oh, we found a boat.
That feels
My
kind
sea legs aren't what they used to be.
That's gonna need some work. There might be a small case of deck rot right there. Which would be a sad, sad state of affairs.
Well, I mean, if anything, like we talked about before, we get this one kind of fixed up and a little bit nicer, put a couple $100 into it. Oh, whoa. Well, it's always
Been a little.
been a little bouncy.
It's not like a big ocean-faring boat, so it doesn't have to be super thick.
Learn all the ins and outs and this, spend like a couple $100, $1,000 on this thing, and then sell it and get something slightly better.
That's the
Or
plan.
you sell, you do whatever you're gonna do, and
Something fun.
it's still connected to
I
something
know.
over there by you.
It's my soul. Almost died. Ooh. He's trying to launch me off the side.
Yeah.
Alright. At least you're honest. It's a boat again. Dirty, dirty boat.
All aboard.
I think this should be about plenty thick. I expect it to be a little bit beyond the shelf. But we do have to cut that back because it's an angle. So. Yeah, it's supposed to go right beyond that.
Ah, gross! Die, motherfucking die!
Here, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? What you doing? Where you going? There, he's dead.
The serial killer?
Trevor almost died. If you couldn't tell by the sound of his voice. That and wasps.
Yeah, they love me.
So remember though, the side piece has to be cut at a little bit of an angle, remember?
Oh yeah.
This piece down here. But the point was, does it fit back here? And they can put some fillet stuff right here when I get the heart in there, right in there to fill that gap up. Yeah, yeah, just like
Look
that.
at that. Look at that craftsmanship.
Almost like we planned it. As long as we know it fits, and I can put the inverter on the back, the gauge thing in the front. Business in the front and party in the back.
Like I feel like if you put just this piece up against. Oh, I think it's the
the
wood brace. Well, so then that leaves this whole gap on the side though too.
Yeah. How much over does it have to go?
Like half that piece of wood.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Look, how did we not think about that?
I mean, I can notch this out.
Oh, that's true.
So I gotta cut that bit out.
Cause I don't need you to love me, don't need you to love me, don't need you to love me.
We're running power wire right now to see what we're gonna do. You hold that there. What I want to do, essentially what this is doing.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have to go in here.
No.
But I want it to go down.
Run it where one of these big guys is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So essentially just go boop through here. Yeah.
Or are you gonna be able to reach it?
Yeah, boy.
Get in there real nasty pig.
Blech. What? I got it.
You got it. Oh, here it's. You got it twisted. I got what you need right here.
Over here to the battery. I can't see anything.
Alright.
With a little bit of extra, just to be safe.
Well, here, let me rerun it up like it was up against the wall.
Yeah. I will hold on to this. That should be more than enough then, right?
Yeah. I think by, just a couple inches or whatever.
All right, hold it there for a second. Going to cut this right here with a little bit of space on this end. One wire down.
Do we have tape to label anything?
Maybe. ASMR.
That'd be kind of a cool edit, just like a bunch of like flipping wires. And...
We can do that. Battery to the fuse panel. Bat to fuse.
Back to life.
You can totally run it in series off of that for the nav lights.
Do you want them to all be on the same?
The nav lights should be.
Well, yeah. The minute you turn any power onto the boat, they have to be on, no matter what, right? All day, every day.
Just from where the switch panel will be to this, and then down. That's just a light for. Is there supposed to be a bow light though, or a steering light?
I think you have to. I think all of them have to be on, right? Everything that was like a functional light before.
Is that a nav light in the back?
Let's phone a friend.
Yes. Breaker.
2 guys, 1 boat.
I think the easiest way to do this wire is to grab here and then undo the wire up there and pull it. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Do you? Or are you just saying that?
No, I actually. Oh, the fucking wasps are back. Oh no, that's a yellow jacket.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, my favorite.
Trevor's friends have returned.
Yeah, they love me. I don't. Yeah, always give yourself what. At least, 4
double
or 5.
the length.
Yeah, well, not double.
Watch it be wrong. Fuck. I don't know what we're doing. You know that.
Yep. What? Welcome back to 2 Guys, 1 Boat, where we have no idea what we're doing, but we're having a good time.
What the fuck are we doing?
It's mostly an existential question.
Henry
And,
gets in precarious positions.
yeah. The Kama Boat Sutra. That could be a funny shirt. Once I start unrolling,
Calm down, Skipper.
it's like fruit by the foot.
Skipper.
Ouch, this hurts my bum. Which one are we running right now? The one that's going to go?
One that goes to here.
Oh, okay.
And then we don't need all of this extra wire. 2 of these are for the light, and 2 of these are for the solar panel. Yeah, where your hand's at, and then we'll just cut that.
Okay.
Here.
Nav light to fuse.
Coming out. What? So basically, this piece that you wrote on here would have to go. I don't know if I want to do it from here to.
I thought you wanted to link all the lights together.
I do. I mean, nav lights and radio you want on at the same time. I feel like no matter what, because you don't want the radio off. You can turn the radio off.
Well, yeah, but if something happens to one part of the electrical, then wouldn't you want this to be on its own, like for sure powered, like no matter what or something?
True. People are gonna be like, these guys are so stupid.
It's for the fun.
It is.
It's for the love of the game.
Oh. That laugh was just shattered.
Oh my god, could you imagine?
Maybe just add an extra foot.
Just add an extra like 6 inches just in case.
That's what she said. We're rusty, guys. We'll get better. It's been a bit, okay? All right, beer time?
Beer time.
So there we go. We removed the tarp. You can see the boat in all of its dirty glory. And we'll fix that. And then I'll be ready to go. I still say if we get enough subscribers, we donate it to a subscriber.
Oh, that'd be cool.
I just farted. Oh, God damn it.
I think vests are all about protection. Like the life vest protects you from drowning, and the bulletproof vest protects you from getting shot, and the sweater vest protects you from pretty girls. Leave me alone. Can't you see I'm cold just right here? There's a narrow cold front sweeping through Chicago. Dress appropriately. Got these giant fat arms and a skinny torso. What should I wear?